This video is on self-administering a subcutaneous injection at home. Molly is wearing gloves in this video, but since it's your own body, you do not have to wear gloves at home. The medication has already been drawn up, and it was drawn up to the desired amount depending on your medication, and where you're at in the process will be dose dependent. What you're going to do is you're going to open your alcohol pad. You're going to clean off the skin on either side of your belly button. Okay, and then you're going to take your syringe, make sure there's no air, uncap it, pinch the skin on either side of the belly button, and then dart the syringe in a dart-like fashion, and then inject the medication. When that's done, you can massage it in, and you may get a little bit of a sting afterwards, but otherwise it's a pretty simple process, and that is it.